Max the cat finds a big fluffy feather. Ooh, what's this? Let me sniff. Achoo! Max tries to stop sneezing, but every little thing makes it worse. He sniffs a flower. Coo! Looks at the sun. A coo! Sees a picture of a feather. A coo! Max sneezes so hard he zooms across the room. Sneezes himself into a pile of pillows, then into a bowl of popcorn. A coo! Oops, extra salty popcorn now. A mouse nearby laughs. Bless you, Max. Need a tissue? Max tries to respond, but... Achoo, achoo, achoo! Oh no, not again! Did Max's sneezes make you laugh? Like, share and subscribe for more funny adventures?